Most backyards look green, but they are silent. In the next few minutes, you will learn how native plants can turn your yard into a living system that supports bees, butterflies, birds, and wildlife, while making your garden easier to maintain and more meaningful. Native plants are species that evolved in a region over thousands of years, alongside local insects and wildlife. This relationship matters more than most people realize. Pollinators depend on specific plants for food, shelter, and reproduction. When those plants disappear, the insects disappear. When insects disappear, birds and other wildlife follow. A lawn full of non-native plants may look neat, but it provides almost no ecological value. Native plants do the opposite. They rebuild the foundation of the food web from the ground up. Not all native plants are equal. Some are keystone plants. Keystone native plants support a disproportionately large number of pollinators and caterpillars compared to other plants. These insects are the primary food source for birds and many forms of wildlife. For example, native oaks support hundreds of insect species. Native milkweed supports monarch butterflies. Native goldenrod supports late-season bees when little else is blooming. Planting even a few keystone natives can have a bigger impact than filling your yard with dozens of ornamental plants. Pollinators are not just visitors, they are workers that keep ecosystems functioning. Native bees rely on native flowers for nectar and pollen that matches their nutritional needs. Butterflies rely on host plants for their entire life cycle, not just flowers. Birds rely on insects raised on native plants to feed their young. One nesting pair of birds can consume thousands of caterpillars in a single season. When you plant natives, you are not decorating a space. You are restoring a system that supports life. Native plants are adapted to local soil, rainfall, and climate. That means less watering, fewer fertilizers, and fewer chemicals. Once established, native gardens require less maintenance than traditional lawns. They resist pests naturally because they evolved with them. This approach aligns with eco-friendly goals while also appealing to practical gardeners who want results without constant effort. You do not need to replace your entire yard. Start small. Choose one sunny or partially shaded area and plant 2 or 3 keystone natives suited to your region. Let leaves stay on the ground. Many pollinators overwinter in leaf litter. Avoid pesticides. Even organic sprays can harm beneficial insects. Observe what shows up. The first season may seem quiet, but life builds quickly when the right plants are present. Gardening with native plants is not about trends. It is about stewardship. Every generation benefits from decisions made by the ones before it. A yard that supports life teaches patience, responsibility, and connection to the natural world. This is how small actions at home create lasting impact far beyond the fence line. If this video helped you see your yard differently, tap like and subscribe to grow with the community. Become part of a family focused on simple choices that bring life back where it belongs.